Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Tsholo Phoka. Today I'm going to be doing this Bantu knot out or heatless curls using Aunt Jackie's defining curling custard, also known as Krillala. Do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification button to be notified of every time I post a new video, and also follow me on my social media to be updated on everything I post. And do tell me in the comment section if you'll be trying this hairstyle and you love it. So let's get straight into the video. In this video, I'm going to be using Aunt Jackie's Krillala Defining Curling Custard. This is the first time I'm using this product from Aunt Jackie, so I'm just excited to see the results. The product says it's sulfate-free, paraben-free, no mineral oil, and no petroleum. It's also enriched with shea butter and olive oil, so I'm excited about that because I'm an olive oil fanatic. That's my favorite product. So let's start. Firstly, I'm gonna start by opening a line where I want my pot to be. So I want a side pot for my Bantu knot out. I want my pot to be this side. We have to open it before doing the Bantu knot outs because we want them to be defined, so we do not want to be opening any lines when the Bantu knot outs are out. I'm doing this on freshly washed hair, deep conditioned. So I do not have any products on my hair. It's only washed hair with extra virgin olive oil that I deep conditioned with. So the only products I'm gonna have is the Aunt Jackie's Krillala. So the size of your Bantu knots will depend on how you want your curls to be. I want bigger curls, so I'm going to be using bigger sections on my hair. I've already opened my pot, so let's start. I'm going to moisturize my hair with a small amount. And then you're just gonna hold the section into place using your hand, and then you're gonna start twisting your hair while also curling it. Use your other hand to hold the Bantu knot in place. And then when you get to the end, you're just gonna roll the end at the bottom, at the root of your Bantu knot. Don't make them too tight because they might give you a headache if they're too tight. So I'm just gonna do the rest of my hair. You also need to make sure that your hair has already been detangled, because if you have tangles, this is going to be a bit difficult for you. You can watch my video on how I detangle my hair on my natural wash video, or you can also watch my heatless blowout, which would mean you would also have beautiful results on your bantu knot out. My hair is stretched because it's after wash day, so it was in braids and I undid the braids before doing this hairstyle. It's already detangled. I detangled it while I was washing it. At the back, I'm just gonna do 4 big bantu knots just to make my hair fuller at the back while more defined in the front. It took me less than 30 minutes to achieve this hairstyle. You can also wear this as a protective style because it's cool and funky and it's cute actually. So now I'm just gonna spray water mixed with olive oil. This is just my daily spray. You can use any leave-in spray that you use just to make sure that the hair is laid when we put on our headscarf. Make sure you use the spray at night because it's very watery. And then put on our headscarf. So you can wait 30 minutes until it's a bit dry and then unravel it, or you can just do it at night and then tomorrow morning you're gonna unravel it like me. So it's the next day today and we're gonna take down our bantu knots. You can wear these bantu knots as a protective style like this. Or you can do a bantu knot out, which we're going to be doing now to complete the look. So to take down the bantu knot, we're going to need a bit of extra virgin olive oil on our hands or any hair oil that you're using. I'm going to start at the back. So basically you're just going to twist the bantu knot and then try to unravel it. I'm just going to unravel all of the bantu knots and then we're going to separate them and we're going to have a nice curly afro. So basically what you're doing, you just twist the bantu knot just to make it loose, and then you're just gonna hold the hair and just unravel it when it's looser. So now to separate them, I'm just going to hold the bantu knot and separate it where it separates. I'm not just going to force it to where I see spaces for it to be separated. So here I see 3 bantu knot curls, as you can see. When you get to the bottom, just to avoid it being frizzy, just make sure you do not separate it too much. We're then gonna take our hair comb and tease our roots just to close the lines in the hair. And we are done. So this is the final look. Do tell me in the comment section if you like how this came out using Aunt Jackie's curl defining cream. I like it, I love it actually, and I might just rock it sometime soon when we're out of this lockdown. I must say my hair is very soft, it's not dry at all, so I'm actually loving this. I want to see how it's gonna do throughout the week. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!